Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel PowerPoint University. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you a slide on green energy. As you can see here, I'm representing the green energy with the leaf so that it actually represents the green energy slide. So now here, if you can see here, I have added 5 different leaves, small and big, based on the percentages. Like I have added 55 percentage which for the big leaf, for the organic, then 20% for green power ecology, for 15%, like that. And similarly, I have created one more slide with some dark green color here without any shadows, and as well as a very unique and different color leaf I have created to represent the green energy slide. So let's see how to create this beautiful slide in PowerPoint. Add a new slide and go to View, enable the guides, go to Insert, Shapes, select an oval shape, draw the oval shape something like this, align center, align middle, shape outline, make it no outline, and I'm going to cut the circle into half. For that, go to Insert, Shapes, select a rectangle, draw the rectangle exactly at the half, and I'm going to delete this part. First, select the oval shape and the rectangle. Under Format, go to Merge Shape. Remember, these merge shapes options are available from 2010 onwards. I'm using for my presentations Office 365. So many users ask me how to get in 2007. This option is not available for 2007 version. So let me continue now. I'll just go and say subtract. So I've ended up with a semi-oval shape, and I'm going to edit, right mouse click and say edit points. You can see here there are 1 2 3 4 5 points. So the second point, this point, right mouse click and just delete it, and this also right mouse click and delete it. And I'm going to use this particular oval shape, something like this. Can you see it's getting a leaf shape kind of thing. So, and here also I'm going to make something like this, or if you want you can increase the size, and again further I will put like this. So you can see I have got this shape now. I'm just going to press Ctrl D and rotate it horizontal and group both. This one I can right mouse click and I can say a group object. So you can see I've got one shape ready, the leaf shape, and I can give some different colors here. Right mouse click, go to the format shape, fill and say gradient fill. I'm going to use 2 different colors here. One is dark green, another one is the light green, and dark green I'm going to put the other side, this side, and here also I'm going to say a gradient fill. I'm going to add one more to give somewhat a different. Alright, so you can see here, or if you want you can just change the direction also, which I want maybe something like this one, as well as this also. See, I've got this shape now. Can you see the leaf shape? Now I'm going to add more details to this. First, let me increase the size and then go to insert shapes, select a triangle, draw the triangle something like this, make the color very light, shape outline no outline, and then rotate it and put it here. And I'm going to select this again, press Ctrl D, reduce the size and rotate it. Press Ctrl D, add 2 or 3 like this, reduce the size and add one more, further reduce the size. So I'm going to make a realistic leaf kind of thing. So you have to spend a good amount of time on this. So you can see here I have added this. So I'm now going to select these 3 again, press Ctrl D and Ctrl G to group it, go to format and rotate it, flip horizontal and place exactly here. And select all the objects and press Ctrl G to group it. So you can see here my shape is almost ready now. So I'm just going to use it. I'll put it one here. The size is very big. Let me just reduce the size. And press Ctrl D. Further reduce the size. Rotate it. And I'm going to put it here. Again, one more. Reduce the size. Rotate it. And then 2 more. So just adjust the size properly, and this last one, which I will increase the size a little bit more and put this one here. So you can see here my shape is almost ready now. The next thing is I'm just going to add the numbers here, the percentages. If you want to increase the size also, you can just press Ctrl G, group all the objects, and you can increase the size something like this. Alright, so this is the size we can increase. Now I'm going to add the percentages here. So this is the biggest leaf, so I'm going to insert a higher percentage there. I'll just say maybe 55%. I'll change the font to Oswald, increase the size, make the font as white and place it here. Ctrl D, copy. This is the second biggest, so I'm going to make it maybe 30%. Again, Control D. Maybe I'll just say this one is 15%. Control D. Here I'll not say 30, I'll just say 20%. And here maybe 5%. So it's almost 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. And you can add one more 5%. So you have to make the total, which is 100. So it's 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 5% is 100%. And then you can add the more detailed text here. So I'm just going to add, say this is organic. You can make it blue color if you want. Again, Oswald, reduce the size and add the detailed text here. And this one I'm going to make it gray color. Select both this text, press Ctrl G to group it, Ctrl D to duplicate, and start adding I'm going to add one more here. This will be here, and this will be here. Then you can change your text here. Maybe you can just say a bio or whatever you want. You can just add the text here. So let's see how it looks, this slide in the slideshow. So this is how the slide looks in the slideshow. And if you want to add some shadows, you can add the shadows also, which I did in my previous slide. You can see here I have added some shadow effects for this one. If you want, you can add it also. So that's it from me, friends. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel, PowerPoint University. That's it from me, friends. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel, and don't forget to subscribe PowerPoint University. See you soon with more interesting stuff. Till then, goodbye.